Hey guys, what's going on? Haven't been posting very much, been super busy with work and stuff. I've got the house pretty much all livable now. Everything's all painted. Didn't really do many videos on it, but it's not really what my channel's about anyway. Yeah, everything's just got everything fixed up. It's basically all there is to see. Kitchen. New water heater I had to put in. Anyway, got the Dodge in the garage. Something's really not right with it, so I shifted into fifth gear and just horrible shake. I think I might have lost fifth gear in that thing. I'm gonna jack it up, make sure it's not like a wheel bearing or something, and it just happened to do it at that time. This old piece of junk in here. Glad I got my toolbox over here. All my tools. I'm thinking about this corner is where I'm gonna build my workbench, from where the edge of that toolbox is to the corner, and then maybe come this way. It's just gonna be a wooden workbench. Structure here kind of makes a nice shelf. Put tools in, like, you know, like that. Anyway, I'm gonna jack this thing up and zip the wheels off and kind of just try to figure out what is going on. If there's no obvious play in the front, I'm really thinking the fifth gear nut is backed out or something. It's a pretty common thing with these trucks. I don't see anything obvious on this side. There's a little play in the ball joint. Actually, kind of a lot of play, but it's pretty normal. That wouldn't cause whatever the heck that was. Ooh, wonder if that's where my noise is coming from, the other noise. Oh yeah, brake pad is gone. Okay. Huh. That wore out really fast. That's like, I put that brake pad on 2,000 miles ago. It's gone. Huh. What the heck? It's eating up my rotor. Well, that's a thing. Alright, well, all I've learned so far is I need some brake pads. I haven't found anything that's causing my terrible death wobble or anything. My U-joints are fine, so I'll see what it does on my way to work tomorrow. What do you guys think? You think I got enough safety glasses? Alright guys, it is the next day. I got some brake pads, the good stuff. Ceramic kind here, because apparently the ones I got didn't last very long, so stick those on tonight. I think I might have figured out what happened the other day. There's the shifter, it's kind of something going on with the transmission or the shifter, and it'll actually let you shift. I mean, usually, you know, I've put a lot of miles on this truck. I'm quite familiar with what it feels like and everything. And usually it won't let you shift into third when you're going fast down the road, like 55. But for some reason now, you can do that, and you know, it'll grind and stuff and do some weird things, and it'll be easy to shift into third instead of fifth. So there's something wore out there, and I think what happened is I might have shifted into third instead of fifth and let off the clutch, you know, and that's why I did that crazy wheel hopping, jumping, terrible sounding thing. It's amazing it didn't blow the transmission up or anything, but I think that might have been what happened, so I'm gonna have to watch that because I could not find anything else that was a problem, and I drove it to work and stuff, and it did just fine. And fifth gear is just fine and everything, so I think that's what happened. Anyway, I'm gonna throw these brake pads on, and that might be the end of this video. Really not a lot of content, but I'm trying to make some more videos here. I got some really exciting stuff coming up, so stay tuned. We got another vehicle that'll be on the channel here soon. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I will be probably picking that up on Saturday. Today's Thursday night, so and I'm going to be driving it back here. It's I don't know how many miles. It's not very far. It's a couple towns over, but I'm going to drive it down here. It hasn't been on the road in I don't know how long. It'll make a good video and some more content, so